Welcome to Kid Color's Christmas Adventure. Christmas is a special holiday celebrating the birth of Jesus. It's celebrated in many different ways around the world. It's a magical time filled with joy, love, and sharing. Santa Claus also brings gifts to kids who've been good all year. Christmas is celebrated around the world on December 25th every year. Can you spell December? D E C E M B E R December. Great job! Christmas is known for family traditions, which are special things families do every year during Christmas time. Some fun traditions are decorating a Christmas tree, singing songs together, making yummy cookies, looking at Christmas lights, giving gifts, and maybe even watching a favorite movie. These traditions make Christmas extra special and full of joy. Did you know the colors of Christmas are red, green, and sometimes gold? Red is for Santa's suit and Rudolph's nose. Green is for Christmas trees and wreaths. And gold adds a shiny, sparkly touch. Santa Claus is a very jolly man who wears a red suit and has a big white beard. He lives at the North Pole with his elves who help him make toys. On Christmas Eve, Santa flies in a sleigh pulled by reindeer to bring gifts to children who have been good all year. Many children bake delicious cookies to leave for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve. Can you please help us by reading the cookie recipe? A recipe is a list of ingredients and a set of instructions that tell you how to cook or bake something. Are you ready to help? Let's follow the recipe. How many cups of flour? 2. How many teaspoons of baking soda? 1. How many teaspoons of salt? 1. How many cups of sugar? 1. How many cups of brown sugar? 1. How many tablespoons of vanilla? 1. How many sticks of butter? 2. How many eggs? 2. How many cups of chocolate chips? 2. Thank you for being a great helper. Now, the ingredients are mixed in a bowl to make the dough, then scooped onto the pan to bake in the oven. The cookies are baked and smell delicious. Can you please help us count the cookies for Santa's plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you. You are so great at counting. Cookies for Santa are a great way to say thank you for all the gifts he places under the Christmas tree. Let's also give the reindeer a treat for working hard pulling the sleigh. How many carrots did we put on the plate? 8. Great job! Thank you for all your help on this Christmas adventure. Wishing you a magical and Merry Christmas filled with joy, laughter, and lots of fun surprises. May your day be merry and bright, just like you. Merry Christmas! Thank you for joining Kid Color's Christmas Adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Be sure to like this video, and for more exciting adventures, please click that subscribe button.